Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I've done a super easy everyday look. I'm going out to meet my friends, we're going to lunch. It's going to be in the middle of the day, so I didn't want to do anything too dramatic or crazy. So this is a light beat that I've done. My wig is from Luxe Beauty Essentials. I love this wig. I always like pull it out when I want to feel like different, or you know, achieve this look, or you want to see how it's done, then just carry on watching. So I think I'm going to just use one palette today. I'm going to use a Toofaced palette, Toofaced Chocolate Girl palette, and this is going to get me my everyday look. So we're going to start off with the face. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to use the Angel Veil primer from Nyx. So just going to pop that on my face. Yeah, after I apply my foundation, I normally always get this Studio Matte Fix in color NW35. It's a foundation, but it's like a powdered foundation, and I add that on top. So now I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC42. I love this concealer. It's full bodied. What I mean by full body is that it's really good coverage. So I'm gonna pop that under my eye. It really gets in and covers your blemishes. I've had this for ages and it lasts very, very long. So it is a good investment and I would definitely recommend it. So we're going to contour this face. I'm going to use this Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in color Light Tan. So I'm going to go in with that first and put that in all the areas that I want to conceal. So let's start off. My lace setting powder, this is from Makeup Revolution, and it's baking powder, and I'm just going to dab that into the areas that it needs to go in. I'm not going crazy with the powder as well. I learnt this tip from Jackie Anna. When you put a bit of powder on your beauty blender, just tap off the residue in the back of your hand and then apply, so you're not putting too much powder on your face, it's not getting everywhere, and you won't be too white in those areas. Because this is a daytime look, I don't want it to be crazy. Yeah, I'm just popping that to have a bit of lunch, so it's not a photo shoot, so I don't need it to make it too crazy. Yeah, so I think that's all the powder that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Iconic Light and Contour Pro for the next step of this look. Yeah, I washed my brushes yesterday, and you know when the shape hasn't come back exactly how you want it to come back, how it was before. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to be using this brown from this palette, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. I always do a liquid contour first, just a little bit of that brown, and then I always use the powder to go over it, because I just think it brings the whole look together, and it just makes it more blendable, more seamless. I'm going to add some blush. This blush is from Makeup Academy. It is called Blushed, and it's in color Rose Tea. So I'm going to add a bit of that to my cheeks. I love a blush in the day. I just I just love that look that it gives. Face is basically done. I'm going to move on to the eyes. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is my eyebrows, and we are going in with my Precisely Brow Pencil in shade 5. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually brush. I'm going to brush out my eyebrows, get them in formation so I can start these brows. Going to draw my guideline. Use my Nyx Concealer to conceal under my eyebrows. The base that I'm going to use is my faithful PLouise base in Rumour 03. So this is what we're going to use next for the lids of my eyes before I put any eyeshadow on top. I'm just going to use the same brush I used to conceal under my eye with. This stuff goes a long way. I could imagine having this PLouise base is staying on until like, I don't know, the next 5 years or so, because it's like I literally just use a drop, and this is what you get out of it. It's sick. So eyes are primed, so now I'm gonna go in. My hair looks crazy. Glow up is pending. Okay, so eyes are primed, so I'm gonna go in my palette, the Toofaced chocolate gold palette, and I'm going to use that to do my everyday quick eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start with So Boujee, which is this really light brown. So I'm going to put that in my crease. As I said, this is the everyday look, so I just want something very calm. You can hardly even notice it really, and that is exactly what I want. Blonde hair as well. I want some like earthy colors so I don't look too pale, especially in this winter. So using these browns is a good call, I think. Just popping that all over the lid. To get a bit of dimension, I'm going to go in with Cocoa Truffle, which is this darker brown here. And I'm just going to pop that in the crease. I don't put a lot, I just put a little. A little goes a long way when you're not trying to be too harsh. Now I'm going to go in with Rolling in Dough. It's like, it looks white in the camera, but it's more like a creamy kind of colour. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I just used the 2 shades of brown and the creamy colour, and that's it because it's an everyday look. I don't want anything crazy. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vinyl liquid liner, and I'm gonna just make my wing. This will elevate the look and get it to where it needs to get to. And the reason that I put mascara on before I put my lashes on is because I feel like it blends together better when you put the lashes on, and also because it's a little bit wet with the mascara, it tends to like grip the lashes. I'm going to go back into my palette and I'm going to go into Cocoa Truffle, the darker colour, in the Toofaced, in the chocolate gold palette, and I'm going to actually put it in my lash line. Nude Wonder pencil from NYX. So I'm going to use Famous to put in my tear duct right here. I'm going to set this look off with my setting spray. So I've just highlighted my nose and I just highlighted like between my brows. That's where I like to put my highlight now.